Hey everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Lexus UX 250h. Now of course this is a self-charging hybrid, and you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights. You then also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course are an 18-inch. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. Coming round to the rear now, you've got your rear parking sensors and reversing camera as well. Then coming into the tailgate, as you can see, we have got plenty of room in here, including 60-40 split flat folding rear seats that will fold flat with the boot floor. Then coming back out of the round again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full suede interior with ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom. As you can see on the front seats, you also have the suede on the back ends as well. You've got full electric windows all around. Then of course, as you can see, we've also got the suede again. Coming inside the car now, we have your EV mode and hill hold assist. You've then also got your automatic gearbox. Got your media controls under the armrest just here. As you can see, pop that up and all the controls are there. We've got your touchpad for the infotainment screen as well. We've got heated steering wheel, heated seats at the front, dual climate control in the front, and then of course we have your display up in the middle. Now as you can see, you have your satellite navigation. You go into your radio. We've then also got your various sources, as you can see there. So AM, FM, DAB disc, and of course Bluetooth. Then coming back to them, over to the steering wheel, we've got your onboard computer controls, volume voice assistant, and Bluetooth hands-free. Over on the right, we have your cruise control settings with your lane keep assist and distance control. You've got full automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this Lexus has done 41,468 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Lexus UX 250, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.